Flat tires? Introducing the BAVIN PC1160. Comes with a free nozzle. Connect the air hose. Lock it. Turn it on, set the pressure. It stops automatically. Enjoy wide compatibility and assured safety. Car won't start? Use its portable car drum starter. Insert the plug, connect the clamps, and start the car. Once done, unplug and disconnect the clamps. Ready to travel! Two-door, can find your items, turn on the built-in light, and experience powerful brightness. BAVIN PC1160